Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pizza oven at home. First, gather your materials, including fire bricks, refractory cement, and insulation. Next, select a stable, level spot for your oven's foundation. This ensures a safe and durable structure. Finally, plan for effective insulation to keep the heat inside, which is crucial for achieving high temperatures and consistent cooking results. Now, let's build the base. Pour a concrete slab at least 4 inches thick to support the oven's weight. Once cured, begin forming the dome. You can use a sand mold or a custom wooden arch as a guide. Carefully lay your fire bricks, ensuring each is set with refractory mortar. This specialized mortar withstands extreme heat, creating a strong, long-lasting dome for your delicious pizzas. After construction, curing is vital. Start with small, low-temperature fires over several days to slowly dry out the moisture and strengthen the materials. This prevents cracking. Next, consider an exterior finish like stucco, natural stone, or even paint to protect your oven and enhance its appearance. Don't forget to install a chimney for efficient smoke ventilation, ensuring a pleasant cooking experience. Congratulations, your pizza oven is ready. For your first bake, preheat the oven to between 700 and 900 degrees Fahrenheit for that perfect crispy crust. Remember to regularly clean out ash and debris to maintain optimal performance and airflow. For an even easier cleanup around the house, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your homemade pizzas.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.